wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the show. And first of all, I would like to thank everybody for the emails, direct messages, the comments. You know, everybody's concerned about how did we do on the hurricane, and feeling super lucky. First of all, we went over to the East Coast. We went over to Miami and took the Island Hopper. It's such a small boat that I thought that the wind or the water might take it. So saw the storm, hit Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Cayocota, all those islands that we go visit. And it was really sad, shocking. I mean, and feeling bad for the people that stayed behind, because a lot of people left, but there was a few that stayed behind. And hopefully they made it through, because it was really ugly. It was really ugly, especially Fort Myers Beach. And that's a place that I go there all the time. When I see videos of Lanikai, the resort, that is completely, the whole bottom floor was all full of water. Everything is gone. There's nothing there, just the columns holding up the building. There's no bar, there's no music, there's no DJ system, there's nothing. No lights, no chairs, there's no bar. It's just really sad to see that happening. And I would like to give a huge thank you to Alfred from the Alfred Montanet channel, YouTube channel, that he was here at Cape Coral filming his own content, and he did me a big favor, and he went over the house and sent me over a few pictures and videos, and put my mind at ease, because I thought the house was demolished, flooded, gone. But luckily, we just got a whole bunch of tree damage. The water didn't reach inside the house. It just touched the lanai. And one more time, thank you, Alfred, for going by, and it was a big favor. And thank you. Oh no, I just left it there. Where is the boat that is? And by the way, guys, none of this area here has electricity, so every traffic light, you have to treat it like a four-way stop, because if not, you might run into an accident. And look at this long line of cars is the only gas station that I guess has a generator and is serving gas. And the most shocking part to me is that it takes years to build a beautiful community, and it could get destroyed just in a few hours. And something that I'm definitely gonna miss is coming into my neighborhood and seeing the beautiful, luscious trees that now they're all ripped up and fallen down. Oh my gosh, nothing happened inside. Feeling so lucky. I thought the house was gonna be on the water. Nothing, no water in the house. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is horrible.
Feel super lucky. Feel like I just won the lotto without playing it, because I expected the water to be like this high, but no water inside the house. Feeling really lucky. I guess let me open up some of the windows here. And well, I guess it took the big tree down. Power line, I guess it's still up. I don't know if the wire is missing, but They took this big tree down, and it got me scared because I thought this tree was gonna hit the house because it was so close. But oh, I guess, yeah, I mean, a big tree is down. Let's go take a walk around the back, see how things turned out. Oh, we got a low power. No, this is internet. There's electricity. Electricity's fine, I guess. Let's walk around the back. Wow, this was crazy, guys. This was crazy. A lot of tree damage. Oh, that boat over there got, oh my god, look at that over there. Feel real bad for those people there. They lost a whole covering for the pool. Here, oh my gosh, these trees gone. See, I was afraid of this tree here. I thought it would fall over and land on the house, but it didn't. But look at this. Oh, actually it did fall over, but it didn't hit the house. It landed right there. That was pretty close. A little more would have landed on my roof and broke it. But look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Somebody's late. No, it's not ours. It's somebody else's light. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Anybody want some coconuts? This is crazy. Crazy. You see this tree? Oh yeah, this one. It used to be so pretty. Oh, the neighbor lost his canopy. Oh, oh my god, he also lost all the screening to his pool. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Somebody's tool shed or whatever it is, toolbox or something. Wow, this is really bad. I mean, really sad. This, well, it's time to get to work. Wow, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm glad that the water didn't go up. Let me see how far the water went. So I take it went all the way up to right here. Here's the water line. I guess it looks like the beach. You know how the beach that leaves you all the seaweed. Oh my gosh, look at the mango tree. It's gone.
Oh, look at the mango.
The mango tree's gone. Look at that, the water line. So that means the water must have came all the way up to right here. I wonder, did it go into my lanai? Did it go? Yeah, I kind of stuck everything inside the house. I guess it didn't. No, I guess. Let me see it. No, I think maybe just a little bit. You see the water line? Maybe just a little bit right there.
Oh,
it's
wow.
not bad. No water in the house. That's the best news ever.
9 gallons.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's time to, oh, no windows are broken. That's good. No roof is broken. That's good. No major damage, just trees and a lot of picking up. So let's go with a pickup show. And while I was cutting the tree, I just kept on thinking those people that was not as lucky as we were, and they lost their complete house, and even some people lost their lives. And we were going through a scary moment ourselves because Fresquito went in for a simple surgery and it got complicated and he had to stay in for 4 days in the hospital. But he's doing well now and he's back home, and I would like to thank everybody for all the comments and messages when I posted it on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for caring. Doing that job right there. Hey, we got some coconuts. Everybody want some coconuts? Oh boy, we're getting it done though. We're getting it done. Look at that. The beautiful 3 pines I had, they're gone. And a piece fell right there, luckily in the house. But yeah, it's crazy out here. It's crazy, but we're coming together though. We're coming together. All right, guys, so we did it. There it goes. The trucks will come pick up that, and look at the yard. Check it out. It's all done. It's all done, baby. Hard work, but we did it. We did it like in 2.5 hours. Cleaned the refrigerator too. Let me show you guys the backyard real quick. And we did it. We did it. One of the examples. There's a will, there's a way, baby. And there it is. Backyard all cleaned up and ready to go for the next show. Yep.
Well guys, I'm really thankful that our neighborhood didn't suffer major damage, but feeling really sad for all those islands that got hit really hard that we love to explore, and hopefully in the future we could do it once again and they come back more beautiful than ever. And for those people that lost everything, even family members, that's the most heartbreaking part of all, because you can replace material things but you cannot replace a human life.